Everybody, what's up, everybody? Welcome to R3 Garage. If y'all tune in, y'all consider subscribing, like the video, show it to your friends, family, or whoever. On today, we're going to be looking at this 1991 Toyota Supra 2.5 twin turbo 1JZ-GTE. Now, if y'all know, we got that 1JZ, man, very, very, very tunable engine. Like, you can have so much fun, and that's what made it so desirable and all that. With the engine in Pacific and the reliability of it and everything. Anyway, the guy won $19,500 for this particular car. Now, these cars usually go between 15 grand all the way to 50. This is like the Mark III. So around 19 grand, it's like good condition and all that. About 15 grand, it's like, eye condition and all. And then like 50 grand or so, car in pristine condition. But anyway, this car was driven 100,000 miles. Automatic transmission, exterior color is red, interior is gray. Seller's description: 1991 Toyota Supra 2.5 twin turbo limited, JZA70 1JZ-GTE / auto trans. Clean title in hand. This is a beautiful example of a JZA70. The car runs and drives great, and I would not hesitate to drive it anywhere. Everything works on the entire car except the sunroof, which came off track. Digital dash works well, reads accurately. AC blows cold, heat works great. Lots of recent maintenance performed, which includes a fresh timing belt, front main seal, valve cover gaskets, new battery, alternator, new radiator, in clutch, fan assembly, new cam sensors, new NGK plugs, oil change, and OEM filter, fresh Yokohama tires. As for modification, as a AB Flug body kit, Cusco coilovers, Driftmotion intercooler kit, and a HKS BOV blow-off valve, and HKS carbon titanium exhaust. Well, TI, I believe it's titanium. Feel free to ask me any questions you may have. $19,500 is his asking price. Now, this car is in Adams Run, South Carolina. That's where you can, potentially meet the buyer and get at him and get this car. Now, this is a very clean example. Look at the body kit that they do have on here. Now, this is the Mark III. I think I would take this over the Mark IV. My honest opinion. This is way more slicker and all that. The Mark IV is like bubbly and all. The Supra Mark IV. I would take this bad boy right here over the Mark IV. But anyway, let's get into it. Anyway, this is another profile or side profile view. I like how he got the Japanese tag and all that. That's very so cool. If y'all don't know, these are known as like JDM cars and all that. Anyway, we got the front end. I love the badge, the 2.5 twin turbo. And like I said, I love the tag, man. I love it. And then we got the pop-up headlights. Man, this styling right here, it looks so sweet. Also, we got another side profile, rear side profile. I love the slick. I love it. I like this body kit. I love it. I love when cars have like extra skirts. Not extra skirts, but like performance looking skirts that make the car look more slicker, in my opinion. And then this look like that titanium exhaust in the back. And the rear looks also pretty cool. And I like that 2.5 badge also in the back. This is another view. I love the wheels, the 5-spoke wheels. It's another view. As you can see, the 2.5 twin turbo limited. 2.5 limited. Anyway, I love this triangular part right here, man. This rear glass, I love it, man. I love it. And then this big old behind spoiler right here. This is a table right here, man. We can have a dinner date right here, man. Shoot, you can have a whole dinner right here. Anyway, another side profile, more closer up tip on the exhaust. I bet this thing sound really freaking good. I bet it got like that nice little tone to it. Oh man, this is my favorite. When I look at this side profile, man, something about it. When I seen this, I'm like, dang, that thing actually looked pretty sweet. Like, I love this styling of this car. I really do. I really, really do. Man, this you got comfortability in a sports edition. Oh man, this is sporty, comfortable looking. Man, I like it a lot. I really do. Anyway, we got some interesting gauges in here. Some interesting. This is very cool, very retro and all that. Man, like look at the gauge, bro. Like, bro, I like this right here. It's so cool how these cars back then had these cool looking gauges and stuff. Like these newer cars, they got cool gauges, but man, it all stemmed from all these cars back then with these cool gauges and all. Especially that it had like this display and all that. Like I got a Merc and all that. It got like this type of display where you can see the miles per hour and all that go up. It's so freaking cool, man. And look, bro, this looks so. This look like I'm in a spaceship, man. I don't know. This look pretty cool at night, man. Like even that check engine light look pretty cool. But man, this is actually pretty. I like how they got that twin trip because you got trip A and then trip B. But the fuel, oh my gosh, I like it. Anyway, we got another. This is an automatic right here. Interior and all that looks pretty good. And got the other. Oh, this is right hand drive. Also, guys, I want to mention something with the 1JZ dash GTE. Only I believe the other models, like not US, the US models did not come with it. The only way you would get it if you had a car imported and all that from Japan. So the US models did not have that 1JZ GTE in it. Or I'm just say the 1JZ. As you can see, it is right hand right here. I love right hand drive cars. I've seen them in person. I've seen cars over here in the US, and some up close and all that. And I got some pictures of a Supra. Was it a Supra? Yeah, it was a Supra. Is it? No, I think it was a GTR. Never mind, y'all. It was a GTR, but it's like the older GTR and all that. And I'll probably share that like another time. But not to get off track, but like I said, I've seen the cars that have right hand. We all possibly have did, but I've seen them before, and it's pretty cool. It's pretty interesting to be driving on the opposite lane and all. I mean, opposite side, and everybody else driving on this side. I need to try this. I need to see how does this feel right here because man, ooh, I like these seats right here. I like them. Yeah, a little rip ain't too bad, but wear and tear. You get a lot of wear and tear on the driver's side, especially if you're going in and out. It happens. Back seats look comfortable and all that. Look pretty comfortable. Okay, this look aftermarket right here. This look original right here. Oh, look at that. Ooh, the turbo, the PSI. Oh my goodness. Oh, that is freaking cool, man. Okay. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Look at this baby right here, y'all. Look at it. Look at this baby right here. Oh my goodness. This clean right here. This is the 1JZ right here. This thing is right here, Pablo. Like I said, this thing is so reliable. And it's so, tunable and all. This is, oh man, you can just throw so much at it if you want to. Man, this is a tuner's dream. Anyway, it's like that blow off valve right here. Dang, that looks so cool. Ain't making me, shoot, I might need to get this thing. But damn, this is really cool. The 2500 twin turbo, man. This right here excites me right here. I like this right here. I really do. Anyway, guys, that's really gonna be pretty much it on this particular car. Like I said, it's going for $19,500. So go ahead and get it while you can, cause man, this car right here is looking glorious. And the fact that he mentioned that, where did he mention this is? Oh yeah, this part right here. The car runs and drives great. I would not hesitate to drive it anywhere. I wouldn't hesitate. I wouldn't hesitate either. I would love to drive this every day and stuff. Like, come on, who wouldn't? But man, this thing looks so good. Something about it, man. I feel like this car right here is overshadowed. This car right here is overshadowed. This is an underrated example right here. This is so underrated. I don't care what nobody say. Like, we got so many underrated cars that other people show, either the ones after or before. With any car, they will show, so much favor to the other one, but it always be the underdog car out there and stuff that everybody paid little attention to, and they just missed over the small little details and all that. But anyway, guys, that's gonna be pretty much it. If y'all made this far, y'all can subscribe, like the video, share with your friends, family, or whoever, and don't be a stranger. Hey, I see y'all. Peace.